So you don't, and this is my thing too, I don't want you to learn something just to teach it. I want you to teach what you already know how to do, because you already have a skill and talent that people are willing to pay for. You just think it's so simple that they won't pay for it. That's not true. So when I would go and I would design these quick shirts, I'm like, nobody will pay for this. Literally, I've been able to sell more than I can imagine just because of putting it out there. So if you put it out there, you let people know what it is you can do. And as soon as they ask you, well, how did you? Boom, that's how you know that you are able to coach that subject. Consider that like you are a servant leader, and as soon as you are using your purpose to serve others, that's where the profit follows, right? So passion and purpose, profit's gonna follow. So I want you But as soon as I started teaching other people how to do things, like literally the same information that I had was disseminating all throughout the world. It was helping people and it was healing people, because for most of us, this is our therapy. This is what we choose to do. We choose to stress ourselves out in these ways, right? So, so I want us to basically, instead of it being a stress, it should be a blessing to our families. It should be able to create legacy. You should be able to have your little ones learning this stuff and ready to implement it and carry on this, this legacy.